Okay, welcome to Nana's Journey. I'm Deanna, and today we're going to do block 2 of Ann Sutton's Bunny Hill Designs, Blueberry Delight. This is block 2 right here. Okay, and I've picked out my fabrics and I just ironed on. I had rough cut the design onto Heat and Bond Light and then ironed it on. If you watched block 1, you'll know that I've already did a rough cut of all the applique pieces for Heat and Bond Light. You also need to remember that if you have a directional applique, like the bird here, you need to mirror it. So you need to flip the paper over and then trace it. So these are I've got all these fabrics to choose from, but this is what I picked. I'm going to pick this for the grass. I've got these for the long stems here, this for the house, the windows, the door, a stem, there's some leaves and the roof, some more leaves in the chimney, a flower middle, the flower, another flower middle, and the flower. Here's the wing to the bird, and this is the bird. These circles are going to be these right here. So we've got those, and then some more leaves. So first I need to get the background put together. This is the background I chose. It still needs to be sewn together, but I just need to run 2 stitches along here, and then we'll be ready to iron things on. Okay, these are the pieces we need to put together. The first thing I'm going to do, though, is put the grass on, because the other things go on top of it. Some of these pieces needed to be taped together because of the length. Okay, now I'm going to put this underneath. Actually, I don't think I need that. Okay, and it says to put this about, I think, 1 3/4, 1.5 inch up the hill. 1.5 inches. Let's see. I think that's probably about. There we go. Okay, and then I need to find the chimney. Now with the Heat and Bond Light, if you don't like where you put it, you can reposition it. You can take it off and then iron it back on again. See, and I've got windows And somewhere here I've got a door. I'm going to take this, I'm going to pull it back, and I'm going to put the stem in the tree. It's not a... Okay, I've got that ironed. Now I'm going to attach this strip to the bottom here. So I'll just go like this, sew it on, flip it over and press it. And then we can get to the applique. So I am going to make some lines in the windows. Okay, let me get this sewn on and then we will start appliquing. Okay, before I put my machine on zigzag, I'm going to make lines in the windows. My bobbin cutter doesn't like to work, so I'm going to cut it myself. now I can put this on zigzag. I'm going to put the length at 2.0 and the width at 0.5. Okay, and there is block 2 all finished. I want to thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you next time with block 3. Have a good day, and thank you for joining Nana's Journey.